Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 5.4 and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So if you can look at the screen closely, like that, you cannot see anything here. The screen is slippery, it looks good, and this phone does not have any factory installed screen protection. And of course I can recommend you to buy one because it protects you from the scratches and the breaks, and even very cheap tempered glass for like $2 or something like that can protect you from the scratches and the breaks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.